In this video, I will show you how you can fix the charging problems on any Samsung tablet. Now, first of all, just check the charging cable of your tablet and check if it is damaged or not. And also make sure to use Samsung's original charger with your tablet, because if you use a third-party charger or a charger which is not supported by Samsung, this can damage your tablet. After you've done that, also check the charging adapter and make sure that it is not broken. And after you do that, then just check the charging port of your tablet. Now, if the charging port of your tablet is blocked by any dust or debris, just use a soft brush and clean the charging port. Now, after you've done that, then the next step is just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Battery. From here, just check if battery protection is enabled or not. If this feature is enabled, just turn it off. After you do that, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. Now from here, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. And from here, just tap on the power icon. And the power menu, just tap and hold on the power off icon until you see safe mode. Then just tap on it and wait for a few seconds for your tablet to enter into safe mode. After you enter into safe mode, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue has been fixed after you have entered into safe mode, then this means that the charging problem on your tablet is caused by a third-party app which you have installed. Now to fix this issue, just go to Settings. And under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Apps. Now from this app list, just look for any third-party app which you have installed recently. After you select the app, then just tap on Uninstall. Now just delete any app which you have installed recently. And also if you find any suspicious app which you don't remember installing, just delete it. After you do that, then just go to your home screen and perform a restart on your tablet to turn off safe mode. But if this also did not work, then just follow the next method. For that, just go back to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on General Management. From here, just tap on Reset. Now on this page, just select Reset All Settings. Then tap on Reset Settings and enter your lock screen PIN or pattern. And after that, just tap on Reset. And by doing this, you will not delete any data of your tablet. You will just reset all the settings of your tablet in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. After you do that, then just go to your home screen and perform a restart on your tablet. Just open the control center, then tap on the power icon and select Restart. Now if you have done all that and if none of these methods worked, then you might have a hardware problem with your tablet. Just take your tablet to any service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the charging problem on any Samsung tablet. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.